The Empty House. A short suspense and mystery story. A house stood empty for 20 years. Everyone said it was haunted. But one brave teenager decided to spend a single night inside. And discovered a secret no one expected. Lucas was 16 years old. He lived in a quiet town. At the end of his street stood an old, abandoned house. Its broken windows and dusty walls scared everyone. People said strange lights appeared there every night. One evening, Lucas took a flashlight and entered the house. The wooden floor creaked beneath his feet. The air smelled old and damp. Suddenly, he heard slow footsteps upstairs. His heart began to race. "Who's there?" he shouted. No one answered. He slowly climbed the stairs. At the end of the hallway, he saw a small room. The door was slightly open. Inside, an old rocking chair moved by itself. Lucas froze. Then he noticed a faded photograph on the floor. It showed a family standing in front of the same house. On the back of the photo, someone had written, "Don't trust the basement." Lucas quickly searched for the basement door. He found it hidden under a dusty carpet. As he opened it, a cold wind rushed past him. His flashlight flickered. He walked down the narrow steps. At the bottom, he found an old wooden chest. Inside were letters, money, and a diary. The diary revealed that the family had hidden their valuables there before disappearing during a terrible storm many years ago. Just then, the front door slammed shut. Lucas heard footsteps again. This time, they stopped right behind him. He turned around. No one was there. When he ran outside, the rocking chair had stopped moving. The house became silent once again. But Lucas never returned. Because some mysteries are better left unsolved. Would you spend one night in this house? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.